Let us continue with the questions. Now consider the following statements regarding tidal power. Now you have to answer the correct statements. First one, tides are created by movement of wind on the surface of the sea. This is bluntly wrong. And now I have discussed the exact definition of this tidal power. They are formed due to gravitational effect of sun and moon on the earth. Now this gravitational force cause a periodic rise and fall of water levels of ocean and sea, and this can be used for generation of electricity, right? It's due to gravitational effect of sun and moon on the earth, right? Shall I write it? I'll write down the things here. Gravitational effect of sun and moon on the earth. It's not due to wind on the surface of the sea, right? Now this is the correct statement. The tidal power has traditionally suffered from relatively high cost and limited availability of sites. Now the same point we have discussed in the previous question. Yes, this is perfectly right. So which statement is correct? Your second statement is perfectly right. Now see here, this is what you have to derive the things, right? Next one, which among the following are adverse impact due to tidal power generation on environment? Now you have to find out the disadvantages of tidal energy. It seems already we have discussed this, right? Interference with spawning and migration of fish. Yes, this is one disadvantage due to tidal power generation. Pollution and health hazard in estuary due to blockage of flow of polluted water in the sea. Yes, this is one more disadvantage, right? Navigational hazard. Yes, this is also one more disadvantage. So your answer is all the above, right? In these things, the first point already we have discussed in the previous questions also. Next one, ocean thermal energy conversion works on the principle of. Now see here, we have discussed a question regarding this, right? The temperature difference between the shallow waters and deep waters, at what temperature you can generate electricity. The same question we have discussed this. Now this is nothing but ocean thermal energy conversion, right? Now see here, temperature difference at different levels in the ocean. Your D option perfectly satisfies the answer, right? Now energy stored by waves in the oceans, wrong. First one is wrong. Tides arising out in ocean, wrong. Pressure difference, no, wrong. So your D option is perfectly right. Let us move on to the next one. Consider the following statements regarding geothermal energy, and you are asked to find out correct statements, right? Now what is the first one? The slow decay of radioactive particles in the earth's core produces geothermal energy. Yes, perfectly right. Geothermal energy is relatively expensive with respect to other sources of renewable energy, it seems, right? No, this is perfectly wrong. This is inexpensive with respect to other sources of renewable energy, right? Now carbon footprint of a geothermal power plant is minimal. Yes, this is what? Low pollution rate. So your answers are 1 and 3 only. Correct statements, 1 and 3 only. Next one, which one of the following statements is incorrect regarding biofuels? Incorrect regarding biofuels, it seems. Now your options are: biofuels produce less greenhouse gas as compared to fossil fuels. This is correct. This is not incorrect, right? Now see here, this is correct statement. Now next one, second generation biofuels are produced from non-food crops like agricultural residues. Yes, this is correct, right? Now next one, Fourth generation biofuels include electrofuels and photobiological solar cells. Yes, this is correct. This is what we discussed in the previous questions. Biofuels have a higher energy output than fossil fuels. No, they doesn't have higher energy output. So your D statement is perfectly incorrect. So you are asked to find out incorrect one. So your answer is D. Right? Consider the following statements regarding solar energy systems. Now you are asked to find out which statements are correct, it seems. Solar energy systems on buildings have minimal impact on the environment. Yes, this is perfectly correct. Now, next one. The efficiency at which photovoltaic cells convert sunlight to electricity varies by the type of semiconductor material used. Yes, perfectly correct, right? This is what we have discussed in the videos. Both are correct. C option. Consider the following statements, right? Now you are asked to find out which are the correct statements, right? Now, what are the correct statements? Shale gas is colorless, odorless, and lighter than water. Yes, perfectly correct. Shale gas is unconventional source of methane, just like coal bed gas and tight gas. Yes, perfectly correct. This is what we have discussed in the videos also. Now, shale gas is used in Europe but not in USA. No, it is used in USA, not in Europe. Right? Your third statement is perfectly wrong. So your options are 1 and 2 only. Right? Next one. Consider the following statements regarding National Solar Mission. Now focus on this. This is your previous UPSC question asked. Right? Now, what are the statements? And you are asked to find out correct statements. Right? First one. National Solar Mission is one on 8 key national missions which comprise National Action Plan on Climate Change. Yes, perfectly right. Government has revised the target of grid connected solar power projects from earlier 20,000 megawatt to 100,000 megawatt by year 2022. Yes, perfectly right. This is what we have discussed here. Right? We have discussed in the videos also. Now your answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Consider the following statements regarding International Solar Alliance. Now see here, I have discussed this in detail in biodegradation and also in energy. Go through the videos, you can answer this question very easily. Right, now you are asked to find out correct statements. Now, it is the first treaty based international organization which is headquartered in India. Yes, perfectly right. Yes, first statement is right. It was launched at Conference of Parties COP21 in Paris and France. I mean in Paris, France. Yes, perfectly right. Now it's most of the members are countries lying on within the tropics. Yes, this is what this point exactly I have discussed in the videos, right? Now which of the following statements are correct? 1, 2 and 3 all are correct, right? Now see here, this is 2.54 is nothing but some typo errors. 1, 2 and 3 all the 3 are correct. Next one. With reference to hydrogen as a fuel, the following statements, which of the above statements are correct, it seems. Now see here, which of the above statements are correct. Now the first question what we have dealt in this questions is regarding hydrogen fuel cell. Right, now what are the statements? Hydrogen has the highest energy content of any common fuel by weight, it seems. Is it correct? Yes, perfectly correct. Hydrogen fuel cells produce water as byproduct. Now see a missed point, right? Produced water as byproduct. Yes, both are correct. Fuel cells produce water as byproduct. This is the statement. Now both 1 and 2 are perfectly correct. Right, let us move on to the next one. Now consider the following statements. Now which of the above statements are correct, it seems. Now again missed. Which of the above statements are correct? Now, thorium cannot be directly used to produce electricity, to produce nuclear energy. Yes, thorium cannot be directly used, right? Isotopes are used. Your first statement is correct. Thorium does not contain any fissile isotope, it seems. Is it correct? Yes, perfect. It does not contain any fissile isotope. Yes, these two we have discussed exactly in the videos, right? So which of the above statements are correct? Now both 1 and 2 are perfectly correct. Consider the following statements regarding ocean thermal energy conversion. Which of the following statements are perfectly correct, it seems? OTEC is based on temperature difference between surface water and deep water in ocean. This is what the basic definition we have discussed. First one is perfectly correct. Next one, it can be harnessed in tropical regions, oceans where temperature gradient is high. Yes, this is the major advantage. OTEC power can be used for offshore mining and processing of manganese nodules. Yes, this is correct. Now this is a general point, right? You have to remember this. Now what are the which statements are correct? All your given statements are perfectly correct. So our option is D. Next one. Consider the following statements regarding ocean energy. Right now again, first statement, which of the following statements are correct, it seems? Which of the following statements are correct? Now ocean thermal energy conversion uses temperature difference between the surface of the ocean and depths of the water. Yes, up to 1000 meters. Perfectly correct. Tidal power uses the same principle employed in hydroelectric power generation to extract energy from hydrostatic head created by rising and difference in falling of tides. Perfectly correct, right? Both the statements are correct. So you are asked to find out correct statements. So your C option, both 1 and 2. Right. Done. Next one. Run of the river system is usually used for which of the following projects? One basic straight question, right? Run of the river projects can be used for small scale hydropower project. One straight question you can answer very easily. Next one. Consider the following statements. Now you have to show the correct statement. Biomass can be converted into liquid biofuels by distillation. Now, is it correct? Yes, can be converted into liquid biofuels by distillation. This is correct. Biomass is renewable form of energy and abundantly available on the earth in the form of firewood, agricultural residues, etc. Is it correct? Yes, perfectly correct. So your answer is both 1 and 2. Right? Upon seeing all the questions also, you can wind up all the data perfectly. Which of the following may be classified as third generation biofuels? Right? Now third gen, select the correct option using the codes given below, it seems. Now first one, algae based biofuels. Algae based biofuels, yes, perfectly correct. It is third generation. Now second one, Jatropha based biofuels. No, these are not third generation biofuels. Corn based biofuels are not third generation. Right? See here, algae. Fourth generation is microorganisms. We have dealt it in detail. So your answer is only 1. Done. Next one. Consider the following statements regarding ITER. Now, which one? Now consider the following statements regarding ITER. Now, which of the statements are correct? ITER is one of the most ambitious projects based on nuclear fission and located in France. Is it correct? No, it is bluntly wrong. right? Now why it is wrong? Now international thermonuclear experimental reactor. Now I'll write down the thing. This is a current affairs question, right? International thermonuclear experimental reactor. Which is nothing but ITER, right? Is the world's largest experimental nuclear fusion reactor located in South France, right? Now see here, this is not fission, fusion, nuclear fusion process. So your first statement is bluntly wrong. Now ITER is a joint effort of many parties including China, India, Japan, Russia, Korea and United States. Yes, your second statement is perfectly right. So your answer is only B is correct. Focus on the questions, right? Next, consider the following statements regarding biomass energy, right? Now it is obtained through the process of photosynthesis. Yes, perfectly right. It is considered as another form of solar energy, right? Yes, perfectly right. Now the cost of obtaining biomass energy is less than energy obtained from fossil fuels. Yes, perfectly right. All the three statements aptly fits here. So your answer is all the three statements are correct. Done. Next one. Which power plant works on the basis of gravity of the earth? Already we have discussed this gravity of the earth. Simple straight question, hydropower, right? River flow is nothing but gravitational pull, right? Next one. Consider the following statements regarding solar panel. Now you are asked to find out correct statements. Already we have discussed similar type of question. It has high maintenance cost. It has high maintenance cost. No, first one is wrong. Now you are asked to find out which of the above statements are correct. Okay, it has no moving parts. Yes, it is correct. It has no moving parts. It provides pollution free noiseless energy. Yes, this is correct. Now your answers are 2 and 3 only. Done. Consider the following statements. You have to answer which of the above statements are correct, right? Now wind is kinetic energy generated by virtue of movement of large air mass caused by differential heating of atmosphere by sun. Yes, perfectly right. Your first statement is absolutely right. Wind resource is continuous and does not influenced by terrain or geography. Yes, it is influenced, does not wrong, right? So your second statement is wrong. Yes, it is influenced. Wind energy has low energy density. Yes, perfectly right. Now which of the above statements are correct? 1 and 3 only. Next one. Non-renewable energy sources are, now again one more general question, fossil fuels found in top layer of earth crust. Sources found in, yes, perfectly right. Ranging from low carbon hydrogen ratio volatile materials like methane to non-volatile materials composed of pure carbon like anthracite coal. Yes, perfectly right. These are non-renewable sources. Bituminous, lignite, anthracite, all these are different forms of coal formed from fossilized remains for dead plants and animals by exposure to heat and pressure for hundreds of millions of years as per biogenic theory? Yes, perfectly right. So your all statements are perfectly right. Right, got the point? Yes, thank you.